Stephanie, and I'm a food scientist. But more importantly, I'm a food enthusiast. I grew up in a Greek household, so food was always very plentiful and delicious, thankfully. In keeping with the food theme, I majored in nutrition and earned my master's degree in food science. During a recent trip to Hilton Head with my husband Kyle, we discovered Hilton Head oils and balsamics and immediately fell in love with the store and its products. The quality is exceptional and it's unlike anything you've had before. For the next couple of months, to get ready for the holiday season, I'll be developing recipes and show you how to use these amazing products. We could even do live Zoom tasting sessions. Leading up to Christmas, I'll be creating a new recipe each week. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see the new products and be the first to watch my recipes. We'll also be posting them in the Chef's Corner section of this website. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at chef@hiltonheadoils.com. With that said, let's get cooking.